So we completed all the work on the 240Z. We have several very nice videos on this car, and I just want to do a quick walk around before we put it in the showroom. Really a spectacular vehicle, and we're going to look at the engine compartment in a second. Let's take a peek at the interior. A nice original vehicle. All body panels are original. Some paint work, but structurally a very solid car. The best part, or one of the best parts about this car, is its history, because it is a true documented one owner vehicle that we purchased from the original owner. Here it's a local customer, and he took very good care of this vehicle. As you can see, there's absolutely no rust in the typical areas where you find the rust. We have another video we're showing the repair that we did here, and we did a full reproduction of the factory original placement of the panel. There was, again, that's a typical area where there's rust, and we addressed that. There's another video on that. That was only one spot. Everything else on this car is just really nice. You will enjoy the ownership if you select to buy it. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 978-263-9000. And actually, let's get the engine started for a second. 263-9000 is our phone number. 978 is the area code. 978-263-9000. This was a cold start, so we'll make sure the engine drops, RPM drops. As you can see, it runs beautiful. It's a cold, very cold outside. No smoke, just a little bit of vapor. The engine runs beautiful. As you can see, it is a engine that's not warmed up yet. Really nice. You can also check all the details in our listing at AlphaCars.com.